Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Thanks for watching Brent TV. Check this out. Another 24 F150. We're going to watch a dyno pull. This baby lays down over 1,000 real horsepower. As always, we're going to take a look. We're going to tell you how we got there. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us up to date. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, another E85 F150 here. I will tell you this at the very beginning. A lot of you ask, what transmission's in this? It's a 10R, but it's upgraded by Pure Drivetrain Solutions. Good transmission to handle this kind of power. Doug, come down, take a look. Whipple Supercharger Stage 2 kit. But it's not your standard Stage 2 kit. We are running over 20 pounds of boost on this. So it has a 3.25 pulley, 20% overdrive, and that's our 10 rib conversion. I will have links in the description. You can read a lot more about it. But yeah, we got the 10 rib, Stage 2 Whipple. Like I said, it comes in about 21 PSI. Fuel system upgraded, 4 triple pump return style fuel system, 1,700 injectors, and then of course has a set of long tubes. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers, man. This truck's gonna be so fast. And we're gonna take a look at the wheel and tire setup on it. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5, E85, 1,037 roll horsepower, peaking right around 7,400. Torque Monster, 840, peaking around 5,200. Boost comes in at 21.79 peak at 7,600. But I will tell you that boost, although pretty smooth across the board, that's spiking a little bit at the end. The boost is really like 21 pounds across the board. Just get a little bit of spike on it. But this has some weld wheels on it. So, you know, the client knew when he had us build this truck that he was gonna need something like this, put that power down to the ground. He brought these wheel and tire setup in. It's welds are 17-inch. These are Netto 555R, like G2 tires. Killer setup, looks awesome. You know, when the stock wheels are on this, we're talking sleeper, but with these wheels on there, you know something's going on with this truck. I'm gonna put another video at the end of this. You can click on, it's a playlist. See other F150 videos. Have any questions, leave a comment. You can email quote@brentsby.com or in Indiana. What's this cost to get built? Have a great day.